we spoke to one of the departments of the defense, and they have tens of thousands of people or soldiers that they're trying to teach diversity training to. That's almost impossible to do in person. That's almost impossible to do reading a manual, or even watching a video would be the next best thing. So one of the great benefits of VR is being able to move somebody emotionally, and so having somebody experience that sort of harassment or not being included into a conversation, or even pointing out to a manager or to a leader of how they're influencing somebody else's feelings. I can't think of any other way to do it than in VR. I think it's important, these days with all the talk about the metaverse and extended reality, and there's a lot of buzz with the largest consulting companies in the world, for companies to really understand that there are use cases today that can benefit them. There are solutions available today that can help them in many areas. They just have to get started, and they can start with a little pilot program or something to socialize and engage with the technology. Focusing on the metaverse as a big picture, and what does it mean, and how do we get involved in the metaverse for a company that's never even put on a VR headset, becomes overwhelming. And I actually think a detractor from the industry today. We've spent many years getting to this point, that VR and AR are very valuable platforms and can solve today's problems. The metaverse isn't solving anybody's problem today. So I personally feel being focused on what problem, what pain can I solve today, is important for companies, because those are available.